We will be presenting data on number of tourist arrivals by country of residence Malaysia.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is FARHANA binti Muhammad Saleh. My matrix number is 2020-492674. So today I'm going to be presenting to you guys how to analyze this data using the understanding in chapter 2. So as you can see, this purple color, this ABC column is the data that we downloaded. So if you wanted to know the smallest amount of tourists visited from all countries and all year, we use the formula mean, and then we select the value range, drag it and enter. Largest amount of tourists visited, we use the formula max, click the value range and drag it and enter. Total amount of tourists visited from all countries, we use the formula sum, we click the value range, drag it and enter. You want to know total of years taken for all countries, use the formula count and then select the year, range, drag it and enter. Number of tourists visited less than 100,000, we use the formula countif, we select the value range, drag it and then we put less than 100,000 value and enter. Average number of tourists visited of all countries, we use the formula average, click the value range, drag it and enter. Number of Asian countries have been taken in 2019, we use the formula countif. We click the country range, drag it, and then we put the words that we wanted to find, and we click the answer that we wanted to know, we drag it, and then we put the word that we want to find, enter. Number of years taken for Asian, we use formula countif, choose the country range, drag it, and then put the Asian and enter. Years taken before reach 5th years is Asian, we put hash lookup, click the 2000, click the year and value range for Asian, and then we put 5 because we wanted to know before reach 5th years, enter. Sorry, the answer is 2004. So now if you wanted to use the VLOOKUP function, you can apply it here. Value tourists visited in Asian in the year of 2019, you can use formula VLOOKUP 2019 and then choose the year and value for Asian, drag it, and then put the number column that we wanted the answer from. So the column is gonna be 2, which is in the value range. So here's the answer. So now if you wanted to clarify which high and low, we can use formula if, and then we click the value, and then we put 1 million or any value. If more than that, we put high. If below than that, we put low. We enter. So the Excel will define by itself which high and low based on the value from column C. So now this is the table that I made manually using all the formulas in chapter 2. So you can see here, years taken, I use the formula countif. Total of years taken, I use the formula count. Each of this amount for each country and year, I just use VLOOKUP. The total for each years, I just use sum. So the total for each country, I just use sum also. That's it. Now I want to know the mean and max from this total visited by each country. I just use the formula mean and then select the total by country range, drag it and enter. For max, click the total by country range, drag it and enter. So this is the graph that I made. So as you can see, obviously from here, the max is Asian country and the mean is from Saudi Arabia. So yep, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is NOOR ARINA binti RUZAIN. So my matric number is 2020449216. So right now I will showing you a data of total sum number of tourist arrivals by country from year 2000 till 2019 using table data. As we can see, Asian countries have the highest value, which is 331,471,952. The second country is Australia and New Zealand, which is a value it's 8,466,349. Next we have Europe continent country, which is a value it's 9,121,058. After that we have Germany country, which is the value it's 1,990,063. Next we have India country, which is the value it's 9,610,333. Other than that we have Japan country, which is the value it's 8,062,547. Next are the countries, which is the value is 90,303,892. Besides, Saudi Arabia have the value is 1,539,570. Another country is South Korea, which is the value is 5,447,265. Next, we have Taiwan, which is the value is 4,876,705. After that, we have the People's Republic of China, which is the value is 25,455,253. Next, we have United Kingdom, which is the value is 6,606,711. The last one is United States of America, which is the value is 4,330,949. Next, I will using a chart graph in Excel to make a comparison data from year 2000 till 2019 for each country. So the first one is Asian countries. As we can see, the lowest is in the year 2003, which is the value is 8,330,464, and the highest value is 23,610,969 in year 2018. So the second graph is for Australia and New Zealand countries. So the lowest value is 163,489 in 2003, and this value is in 2010, which the value is 646,847. That's why we have Europe continent graphs. As you can see, the lowest value is in 2010, which the value is 0, and the highest value is in 2014, which the value is 653,787. Next, we have United Kingdom graph. As you can see, the lowest value is in 2003, which the value is 125,569, and the highest value is in 2014, which the value is 445,789. After that, we have India country. So as you can see, the lowest value is in 2003, which is the value is 145,153, and the highest value is in 2014, which is the value is 770,108. Another country is Japan. So the lowest value is in 2003, which is the value is 213,527, and the highest value is in 2014, which is the value is 553,106. While in Taiwan, we can see the lowest number is in 2003, which is the value is 137,419, and the highest value is in 2018, which is the value is 383,922. Next country is United States of America. So we can see the lowest value is in 2002, which is the value is 127,920, and the highest value is in 2019, which is the value is 357,496. Afterward, we have the People's Republic of China. So we can see the value in 2000 is the lowest, which is the value is 76,344, and the highest value is in 2019, which is the value is 3,114,257. Other than that, we have South Korea. So we can see the lowest value is in 2000, which is 0, and the highest value is in 2018, which is the value is 616,783. Besides that, we have country from Saudi Arabia. So as we can see, the lowest number is in 2000, which is 0, and the highest value is in 2016, which is the value is 123,878. Next, we have Germany. So we can see in 2000, the value is 0, and the highest value is in 2014, which is the value is 158,453. So the last country is in the United countries, which is the lowest value is in 2018, which is the value is 259,181, and the highest value in 2007, which is the value is 1,878,020. So lastly, I will show you how I'm using a pivot table and pivot chart for minimum and max value. First thing, we go to insert, and then we click pivot table, and then we click OK. After that, we bring country to and value to value columns. After that, we click add sum of value, and then click value field setting and change it to minimum, and then we click OK. For pivot chart, we go to insert, and then we click pivot chart, click OK, and then we adjust it, and the data will look like this. For max value, we use same method.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NOOR binti MUZAMIN. My matrix number 2020449578, and I'm going to explain about the chapter 4. Okay. first I make the table like this. So this is the country: ASEAN, New Zealand, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, UK, India, Japan, Taiwan, US, China, South Korea, Saudi Arabia, Germany, and other countries. And here is the year. So now I'm going to show how to calculate mean, median, and mode. Okay, so for mean, the formula is average, and then select the range. For example, ASEAN, and then click enter. So you get the answer 1607358. And then for median, the formula is median, and then select the range, and then enter. You get the answer. And then mode, the formula is mode .sngl, and press enter. And then I'll just drag the column to the right to show the other countries' mean, median, and mode. For mode, there is no same value, so that's why there is no mode appear in the table. So it becomes like that. Next, I'm going to show how to calculate range, variance, standard deviation, and coefficient variation. First, for range, I use the formula maximum, and then open bracket, select the range, and then minus the minimum range, the minimum, and then select the range, and then press enter. Press enter and get the answer. 1646004. And then for variance, the formula is var.s, and then open bracket, select the range, and then close the bracket and press enter. I'll get the answer 2170431513517292.6. And then for standard deviation, the formula is stdev.s, and then select the range and get the answer. And then for coefficient variation, the formula is standard deviation divided by mean. So I'm using the formula stdev.s, and then select the range and divide by average and select the range and times 100. Then press enter and get the answer. Now I'm drag the table to the right to get the other countries' answer for range, variance, and standard deviation and coefficient variation. Okay. Now how to calculate Z-score. For Z-score, I changed the table to become like this, and here on the left is the countries, and on the top it is by year from 2000 to 2019. And first I calculate the total by country. So this is the total from 2000 to 2019 by the countries. And then first, I calculate the mean and standard deviation, and for mean, the formula is average, and then open bracket, select the range, and close bracket, and press enter and get the answer. And standard deviation is the formula. Standard deviation, the formula is stdev.s, and then open bracket, select the range over here, and then close the bracket and press enter and get the answer. Next, to compute the Z-score, I put it here, and first, the formula is standardized, and then open bracket, select the total by country for ASEAN, and then comma, and then select the mean, and then comma, select your standard deviation, then close the bracket and press enter and get the answer. And then I'm using the same formula to the other country as well, and figure out the answer for the other countries. Okay, now I'm going to show to make a graph. Then a Z-score for total by countries. So first I select the range over here, the Z-score, and then go to the insert and click on the graph, scatter with smooth lines, and then it appear like that. The graph is like this. So first the value is near to 2. It is 1.94, and then it dropped until it dropped to negative, below than 0. And then at the last, going up again to 2.72. So the graph is like this. Now I'm going to show skewness and kurtosis. Okay, so the coefficient of skewness is described the lack of symmetry of data, and distribution that tell off to the right are called positively skewed, while those that tell off to the left are said to be negatively skewed. And then for kurtosis, the coefficient of kurtosis, it is refers to the peakness or flatness of a histogram. Then the coefficient of kurtosis measures the degree of kurtosis of a population. Okay, now to calculate the CS, the formula is SKEW, and then open the bracket and select the range over here, and then close the bracket and press enter and get the answer. And for coefficient of kurtosis, the formula is KURT, open the bracket and select the range over here, and then close the bracket and press enter and get answer here. Okay, and then I'm using the same formula to find the skewness and kurtosis for the other countries. And then for coefficient of skewness, CS is negative for left skewed data, and CS is positive for the right skewed data. And for kurtosis, ACK is less than 3, indicates the data is somewhat flat with a wide degree of depression. And ACK is bigger than 3, it indicates that data is somewhat weak with less depression. Lastly, I'm showing how to make a descriptive statistic. First, go to data and then click data analysis and select the descriptive statistic and click OK. And input range, I select the range over here of the table, and then select column, and output range I put it here, and then select the summary statistic. Confidence level for mean, the largest and the smallest. Okay, and it will become like this. And so there is the mean, standard, there is mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variation, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum value, maximum value, the sum, the count, and largest and smallest, and the confidence level. And I will just and I will rename the column here, column 1, 2, 3. I will rename and change to the countries, ASEAN, US, Taiwan, Japan, and all the countries. And it will look like this. So this is the look, and that's all from me. And thank you so much.
Hi, my name is WAFA KHALIESAH binti SHAIFULL NIZAM. My matrix number is 2028-75342, and I will explain our 4 marketing strategies, which is showing online banners, create blog and posting articles, paid online influencers, and grid, package, and promotions. So the first one is showing online banners. Internet marketing tools for tourism industry is crucial and effective nowadays. Placing ad banners on certain websites such as Google, Shopee, and Lazada, where users will be able to see our current promotions, offers, and package. The websites we advertise are the types of sites our target audience visit. Our company also use different sources and sites to place banners so that tourists easy to find us in their Google search, or else when they try search top hotels, top destinations, or travels. Second is we create a blog and posting articles. It is beneficial to fill our site with interesting content in the form of useful articles about tourism. We always post the best spot in the countries such as Langkawi, Kuala Lumpur, Genting Highlands, Penang Island, Malacca, and so on. We also list out the interesting activities and amenities that provided there, so tourists will be more attractive to go there. We always update what is new in our promotion or new spot for our tourists. Our blog and posting got reach millions of views, hence our company be a great ranking in Google search. Third is paid online influencers. Influencer is who establish following around their personal brand. The influencer that we mean is YouTubers, celebrities, and TikTokers. It really works using this method of marketing. Since our company paid influencers will become more popular and well-known among tourists. Many influencers have large number of followers and highly encourage their audience. They will create contents in form of review videos and post them on their social media accounts so their followers will be attractive with what the influencer do. For example, Asfahari with 1.2 million followers, Hanis with 6.1 million followers, and Nabila Huda with 3 million followers. The last one is great package and promotions. We usually include package of visa, daily breakfast, transportation, 3 or 4 stars hotel, economy class flight, sightseeing, monument entry and other activities with reasonable price for our customers. But if they want to try other activities out of our package like water theme park, bungee jumping, flying fox and so on, it is on their own. We just can provide the transportation. We also always have end of month promotions, payday sales and year-end promotions, which is very worthwhile. So our customers will likely to be attracted to the sale because they just need to pay less than the original price. Other than that, we always have birth month promotion, which we will cut up to 20% discount for them as their birthday gift. Last but not least, if any of our customers bring along their parents, 60 years and above, which is senior citizen to go to holiday together, they will get up to 30% off for each mother and father. So that's all from us. Thank you.